Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future.
Ninja Total Crushing technology crushes ice to snow in seconds with 1,000 watts of professional power. Our BPA-free XL 72-ounce professional blender jar is perfect for making creamy, frozen drinks and smoothies for the entire family.
Hey, what's up guys? This is the Ninja blender, and this is actually the professional model, which comes with both the blender and the single serve cups. It actually comes with 2 cups. That just allows you to choose if you want to blend a lot or just blend a little bit. So that's a nice choice, just to have both of those. Let's start by looking at the base of the blender itself. As you can see, from left to right we have the power, and we have 1, 2, 3, which are just different speeds. Right above that we have the single serve, and then we have the pulse, which is just on, off, on, off. If we take a look on the back, we have a place where we can actually stick the cord in just to hide that, say if you're not using it. It's a nice feature. Keep the cord out of the way. And on the bottom we have these rubber feet. These rubber feet are actually like suctions, and they suction very well to most countertops and to glass just excellent. Looking at the picture, we have measurements on 2 of the sides here. We have everything from ounces to cups, 2 liters to milliliters, and this will hold a total capacity of 9 cups, which is quite a bit of blending material there. If we look at the lid, we have this part that pops open, just allows you to pour out whatever's inside there, and then it will snap back down and keep everything concealed if you want to put this in a refrigerator and drink it at a later time. It will not let you blend unless you have this lid put on, and they have 2 arrows which you match up with the handle, allowing you to put that top handle down, and then you're good to go. To take the lid off, you just hit this release plate. It will pop up, and then you can go ahead and remove the lid. Now when we look inside, it does have a removable blade. The blade just slides down in there and slides out, which makes it really easy to clean. But I'll just let you know right away that this blade is super sharp. Okay, so to set this thing up for blending, all we got to do is attach the pitcher onto the Ninja base itself. It will twist into place, and then you put the lid on and you're good to go. Now just a real quick tip: if your power button is blinking red, that just indicates that you don't have it set up correctly. If you twist your pitcher onto the base and it feels a little bit hard to turn, you probably need to adjust it a little bit, because it actually is a nice gliding turn, and then that power button will turn solid red. So depending on what you're going to be blending, in this case I wanted to try out some ice because it says it can turn ice into snow. So I went ahead, we'll put some ice in there and we'll just see how it blends. So as you can see, it holds up to its word, turn the ice right into snow. Now I can go ahead and just dump this ice out and we'll get started on something else. Okay, so we're back, and this time I'm gonna do some frozen fruits just that I picked up from the grocery store, along with some strawberries, bananas, some ice and some water, and we're just gonna go ahead and put this in here, and I'll let you just check out how it sounds, how it blends, and things like that. do a single serving, all you need to do is get the cup attachment that would go onto the base of the blender, screw that to the cup after you put your food in there and flip it upside down, hit the single serve button, and just that's basically it. Once it's done blending it up, take it off, put the lid back on, and then you're good to go. Something else that I really like about the Ninja is that everything can go in the dishwasher. Well, except for the base itself, but everything is dishwasher safe, everything is BPA free, and if you don't have a dishwasher, don't worry, because this thing is still super easy to clean. So that's the Ninja. Thanks for watching.